I just like, oh,
Hmm?
can I just like copy these when I like have my recording with you? Because I don't have the opening.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
No worries. Hi Tiffany, how are you?
Yeah, hi Sophie, very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm really good, thank you. Thank you for meeting me today. Please let me introduce myself. I'm the finance manager of Simco, and I could use your expertise to help us to develop the e-commerce project.
No, not a problem. I hope I'll be able to help.
So we've noticed that our profit has been decreasing for the past 2 years and are predicted to be in further decline for the third consecutive year. So our major competitors have been selling a lot online for at least 1 year. And now we need to adjust our selling strategy and align to them if we want to keep our customers and improve our sales. To do so, we need to implement an e-commerce strategy within 6 months, upgrade our website, and the main thing for now will be to redevelop it and incorporate an online sales functionality in line with technical specifications. So how do you think we should start implementing an e-commerce project to increase our sales, and how can we choose the best e-commerce solution provider?
Start by creating a realistic business plan and action plan in consultation with experienced e-commerce business advisors. It is important to compile a detailed list of features and requirements before choosing your e-commerce solution provider. You should choose a robust solution that will leave room to your company to grow.
So does that mean that we need to create our own program to manage the sales online? And how do we manage the payment methods?
Choose an e-commerce software that will help manage inventory, products uploads, images, discounts, promotion, customer relationship management, and online orders. You will also need a shopping cart program that can handle the task, shipping, and payment transactions. A number of e-commerce solutions will offer all these components in one bundled package, making management and maintenance chunky efficient. There are also many systems out there to choose from, but you ultimately want one that is flexible, to some extent future-proof, and has regular maintenance built into the service contract. The system will need to integrate with your existing website and CRM, which is customer relationship management, and ERP, which is enterprise resource planning systems.
So you mentioned the shopping cart program. What is it?
So shopping cart software is an operating system used to allow customers to purchase goods or service, track customers, and tie together all aspects of e-commerce into one how do you say that? Cohesive whole. Yeah. The shopping cart needs to be one that allows the customer to enter online store, see a product that fulfills their demand, and then they place into their virtual shopping basket. After they have finished browsing, they should just be able to click and check out and complete the transaction by proving payment information.
Okay, so once the website has been improved and is able to process sales and transactions, what is the next thing we need to worry about and improve?
Website visibility will be critical to the success of your new e-commerce strategy, as it will help drive more traffic to your business, promote more inquiries for your goods and service, increase leads, and potentially generate more sales. But to achieve this, you need to understand search engine marketing.
Okay, so it means we need to gain in visibility and make sure we are on top search. So how will customers actually find us? How will we be able to appear on the top results?
Consumers conduct searches by entering a search word or phrase into a search engine such as Google or Yahoo. Two types of results are generated, like free, organic search results, as well as paid or sponsored results. Free listings are displayed on the main area of the results page. Most search engine pages display 10 results per page, but there can be thousands of listings and hundreds of pages. Paid advertising results usually appear at the top of the page, highlighted in a box, as well as along the right side of the page. The majority of people who conduct searches only select from the first page of listings, although some will go to like 3 pages deep. Search engine optimization refers to efforts to generate free organic listing high on the results page, while search engine marketing, also known as pay-per-click advertising, involves paying listing placement.
Okay, so this search engine optimization thing is a bit of an abstract concept to me, to be honest. So how do we achieve that?
So you can achieve search engine optimization in 2 years. The first way is to analyze your website's underlying code, architecture, and content, that is, the way it's built. The second involves keywords, those words purchased that people enter into search engines in order to find what they're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Your website needs to have like searchable keywords woven in a natural way, thoughts in content in order to be found.
So if I get it right, we need to focus on the keywords we're using if we want customers to see and find our products easily and appear as suggestions on their research, right?
Yeah.
So what method do you recommend for that?
So yeah, like identify keywords, like begin by generating a preliminary list of keywords that focus on your products and service, your company's names and related subjects. Then focus on developing a list of variations of those words using common typos.
And once the keywords have been identified and selected, where do they need to be placed on a website to be found by the search engines?
You will need to add these keywords to the content in your website. Search engines are very sophisticated to do not like bogus or forced placement of keywords in a web page.
Mm-hmm.
The words or phrases must be contextually relevant to what appears on the page. You should also insert like keywords into your website's titles, meta tags, directory names, and HTML code to describe images that appear on the site.
Okay, but if a customer is looking for a specific fry pan, let's say, so if the customer types fry pan, he will probably see thousands of fry pans on thousands of websites before he could see ours. So how do we stand out?
So you can edit your content so that it is different. So to a degree, inserting keywords into your product descriptions will help make your content distinct. But you can do more, like using the manufacturer's description as a starting point, but then include customer reviews or add some personal thoughts about the product.
Okay, so keywords have to be general but also specific if we want to stand out and be seen by a large amount of customers. But we don't want to get lost in thousands of suggestions either. I got it. Is there a trick to select the best keywords we can use?
Once you've made it through the steps outlined above, like it's time for you to monitor your own online marketing efforts like are doing.
Mm-hmm.
So you should use your keyword list to conduct your own searches to determine if your business is rising in the results rankings. This will enable you to capitalize on what's working and eliminate what's not. But give yourself time to see the results from your efforts. Achieving a higher rank can take up to 6 months. Use a service like Google Analytics will help you discover when keywords are working the best and which other websites are sending visitors to you. With a solid understanding of search marketing and a plan for how to launch your search marketing efforts, you can begin to successfully drive more traffic to your e-commerce site and ultimately go further in increasing your sales.
Thank you, Tiffany, for all this information. Such a precious help. I'm going to discuss about it with the rest of my team, and I'll get back to you later if we have any further questions.
Not a problem. Yes, please do. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiffany.